The streams are still going up. We'll be uploading a lot of freestyle battles, stuff like that. We'll be promoting beats, say from Africa, mixing up with British, stuff like that. Traditional music. And we're still trapping out here, man. So still clear, man. We're still on the come up. So yeah, hijacking phones, hijacking cell phone shops. We have none of that anymore. My audio on YouTube kinda dropped. Must be a bug. They're pretty unmetered. The YouTube is unmetered. So you have a lot of people. You have censored. This the idiot I was saying. She's on everyone's phone. I don't even know what they want here. Fresh clean account has been banned again by idiots on the YouTube again. The last time I heard her voice, could be a man for all I know. So here we go. I'm on YouTube. An idiot has already hijacked my account from a state house build. Can you believe this shit? So I'm gonna be closing this YouTube account. If you wanna hit me up, my number is on there. So don't even bother hitting me up on YouTube again. I doubt myself it there with your location for where you can find idiots trying to masquerade as people, as flexes or whatever. Like here's I normally fumble. Don't fumble here. Anyways, yeah, select instrument. I'll be uploading once a week on YouTube with our meds. We have meds there. A lot of jacks. This account will be banned already. Like 10 minutes. Check it out. So I'll just be doing meds or marijuana and stuff like that. We'll be hanging out with beats. I'll be making live sessions. This is my last update on YouTube. I leave for like a month. See, it doesn't get traction. I might get an FM transmitter. So that's debatable on how it links on YouTube. That's it's a big project to handle. So anyways, for all our YouTubers been wondering what happened to Yaf, here you go. That's his real name. He's called Jeff for now, man. Don't try identity plagiarism over there. So that's Yaf on there, bro. It's not that bad. Yeah, you can search patterns there. So yeah, shouts out to Jeff Onyango, Jeff Onyango and his family. We still booted up, bro.